मैं पहुंच गई हूँ ग्रैंड हयात दुबई, जो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल होटल है, फुल ऑफ ग्रीनरी एंड वाटरफॉल। तो सबसे पहले मैंने सोचा इवेंट में ले जाने से पहले थोड़ी सी झलक आपको दिखाती हूँ होटल के व्यू पे। तो चलिए साथ में चलते हैं एंड मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कितनी ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी है, कितना ब्यूटीफुल होटल है एंड वी शुड विजिट दिस प्लेस वंस। टिन लुक एट दिस, एवरीवेयर इज ग्रीनरी, चारों तरफ पानी और प्लांट, दीज आर द रियल प्लांट्स। वाओ, I just love this place, love it. This is something unique and different in Dubai. Awesome, awesome. चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं आगे फाइनली रेड कारपेट की साइड, जहां हो रहा है मिडवे इंटरनेशनल शो और जहां आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ और सबसे मैं मिलने वाली हूँ इंडिविजुअली, सबके साथ पिक्चर्स क्लिक कराने वाली हूँ और बहुत सारी बातें करने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए साथ में अंदर चलते हैं और मैं आपको सबसे पहले व्यू और हॉल दिखाती हूँ जहाँ पर ये इवेंट हो रहा है। सो ये हो रहा है ग्रैंड हयात होटल दुबई एंड लुक एट दिस, सो बिग hall and very nice interior. They give it to us welcome drinks and this is a stage जो पूरी LED से बनी हुई है, all set here, सारी मीडिया सेट है, सब लोग सेट हैं और सब बहुत 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 एक्साइटेड है। तो चलिए शो हो गया स्टार्ट।
Given the rate of economic and business growth, Thane is all set to evolve into a global city in the near future.
It's about to begin in a very short while from now.
Sponsors, people who are backing us for the mid.
मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा Sangeeta Kabadi, National Business Head, Midday Infomedia Limited. Sangeeta, who's been working round the clock. Power woman there. Hello. Jimmy Oza, CFO, Midday Infomedia Limited. On stage, please. Mr. Rahul Shukla, Sales Head, Midday Infomedia, also on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, this is that moment where the lighting of the lamp will happen. I request people on the backstage to give diya, to light the lamp. In the meanwhile, photo opportunity. This is how we kickstart it. Ladies and gentlemen, here goes. So Vivek, like they say, how we start is these are the finest people here. They've broken every norm in the book. They've broken every rule to get to where they are. So, are you ready for the showbiz awards, my friend?
Tamil. Okay, Telugu I'll start with. Naku Telugu Radu. కొంచెం వస్తుంది. Tamil.
Explain the meaning, yeah.
I don't know Telugu. I can speak a little bit. ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. Is that correct? Okay, Tamil, help me.
Okay, no. Tamil is we'll do a Rajinikanth dialogue. You're going to say, no, Arey Baba, trust me, Vivek, behave yourself. All right. Okay, na. Oru tharava sonna. Hey, Vivek, behave yourself. This is a good, it's a Rajinikanth dialogue. I promise to God, come on. Okay.
I don't have the guts. You give me a proper dialogue.
It is. Ringla.
நல்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
Okay, that means you're fine. Any other language that you know?
Hindi, English. Can we stick to those?
Okay.
हेलो, सोना के साथ दुबई लाइव, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ladies and gentlemen, for iconic powerhouse performer for Hum Bhi Akele, Tum Bhi Akele. Ladies and gentlemen, Zareen Khan. DJ Baba, music bajao. The most recent outing for the OTT platform Disney Plus Hotstar. Hum bhi akele, tum bhi akele. Topic of LGBTQ community won her rave reviews and awards for impeccable performance in the movie. Ladies and gentlemen, she has been a spokesperson for many social causes and contributed to the society in terms of COVID as well. Zareen. Sir, I know she's very pretty. हमारे साथ भी हो जाता है. We also hold the trophy. We don't know what to do when a pretty lady is around. I understand. No worries, sir. Don't worry.
The platform that my film is available on is here in UAE. But yes, Hum Bhi Akele Tum Bhi Akele is a beautiful human story of two very different individuals, a gay boy and a lesbian girl, and the hardships that they face in society. And I feel very privileged that I got a chance to play this role and voice my opinion about the LGBTQ community. I feel very, very privileged to be a part of this film.
Here goes to lots more awards. Well done, Zareen. हम तो बड़े fan हैं. So I sir would like to give you the award again. Thank you so much, Zareen. All right, I'm going to give this award back to you. You're now presenting me. So thank you so much, Zareen. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for the next one, this of course is iconic film producer of the year, and it goes to, from Panorama Studios, Mr. Kumar Mangat Pathak, founder and chairman, Panorama Studios International Limited, is one of the most notable producers from Bollywood film industry, having over 40 years of experience in the business. He has witnessed trade function from close quarters, hence he has the managerial skills and production muscle to be back any project on the face of this planet. Mangal Sahab, आप एक लाइन तो बोलना मंगल साहब, ऐसे मत करिए. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, he has had such a fabulous journey. He's one of the biggest producers. but आप जब इनसे बात करते हो आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि इतने बड़े प्रोड्यूसर हैं सर. 2 लाइन बोल दीजिए सर, आपको मेरी जवानी की कसम.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Bede. Thank you, Dubey.
So sweet. And thank you, sir. We love you. Give it up for
Kumarji. Because of the films that I've done with you, I've had the honor and privilege of winning so many awards. So today it was my privilege. मेरी खुशी है कि मैं आपको अपने हाथों से एक award दे रहा हूँ. I'm so proud of this moment. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. कुमार जी आज पार्टी भी कर रहे हैं. विवेक पार्टी फेंक रहा हम सबके लिए. All right. Up next, iconic entertainment worldwide, and this goes to Kalapi Naga CineCon, which was established in 2009, headquartered in Mumbai. Alright, DJ Baba, pump it up, keep it under this. Yeah, baby. Well, CineCon is a part of Next Group that operates across several business sectors, including realty, construction, civil works, contracting, film production, distribution, and allied media entertainment businesses. I love the namaste, kuch nahi samajhte. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Hey, sir. अरे तो मेरा 2 भाई है यार भाई. How are you, brother? How are you? Thank you so much. He's got a lovely voice as well. जब मैं voice shows करता था, I used to do a lot for him. Then I got insecure of his voice. He sounds like Mr. So, Aditi, Vivek, and Rahul, best regional OTT platform, and it goes to Shemaroo. Yes, Shemaroo Me is the over-the-top video streaming app of Shemaroo Entertainment Limited. I'd like to call 2 of my dearest friends, Zubin and Aneri, to take this award for Best Regional OTT Platform. Ladies and gentlemen, Shemaroo Me, if you get onto the app, you'll realize कि इतने बहुत part baking चीजें की है on that platform. तो दोनों आ जाइए stage पर. This is Zubin and of course Aneri. Shemaroo is now evolved, being a significant player in the digital ecosystem. Shemaroo Me is a comprehensive app with a diverse and exclusive content offering for an audience looking for Bollywood, Gujarati, Marathi, devotion, Punjabi, comedy, and kids categories. अच्छी बातें बोलते हैं. Zubin, I've known you for so many years. You're such a dear friend of mine. The work you're doing genuinely on Shamaro Me, the way day by day, minute by minute you innovate is phenomenal.
Yeah, it is. So firstly, just saying thank you to Midday, thank you Dubai, and thank you to all our Gujarati fans for this fantastic.
Hi guys, subscribe Sona के साथ Dubai Live.
Thank you.
Welcome to Thane.
To hear a few words from you on love and everything. Okay, sign off words.
Thank you for having me, Siddharth. Thank you for torturing me. Midday, lots and lots of luck. I'm repeating what I said, but I mean it. Thank you for having me, and lots of luck and lots of good wishes. I hope this award gets bigger and bigger and bigger every year, and I will try as long as Siddharth doesn't torture me.
क्या टॉर्चर यार, मैंने बोला फ्रंट पेज आपको देने के लिए.
Listen, I'm so scared of you. I don't know what you're going to make me do, man.
अच्छा चलो फ्रंट पेज प्लीज. हाँ अदिति को थैंक यू सो मच. अदिति, I love you यार. Bye. Round of applause for Aditi Rao Hydari, ladies and gentlemen. और अब we're going to be calling in on.
अच्छा हुआ चलो मिल गया यार. कम ऑन. कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की, देखो जो बाकी आके तुझे समझाए. तू
जाने ना.
बुफे खोल दो भाई. तू जाने हो मिलके भी हम ना मिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों मिलो के है फासले.
So Ali is with me.
सोना के साथ दुबई लाइव. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.
Thank you.
Myra Dastur. Is called the trendsetter. Look at that dress, so beautiful she's looking. Lovely. Radhika Didi, can you please come in front and give the award? Amira Trend-Setting Fashion Diva Award. You've always experimented with your clothes, you've experimented with your roles. How difficult is it to pick and choose what you wear, which is very out of the box? Do you have to rack your brains ki jo man mein aaya pehen liya?
No, actually it's very easy. We have a very good team of stylists and makeup artists who we get to behave very difficult with. So we try on a lot of clothes every day and we select a look that we like. So it's actually their hard work and we just reap the rewards.
Hi, Satke Zama, kya team player hai. You're very, very sweet, yaar.
So honest.
Absolutely. इसी बात पर I'm going to give you the trophy back because you're going to be presenting some more awards. अरे नहीं, थोड़ी देर के लिए तो रखने दो. And you're going to be presenting some awards. By the way, so here goes, ladies and gentlemen, Zareen Khan, Kunal Thakkar, Rahul and Amira for the next one, which is iconic fintech startup. It goes to Andrea Zahax. I hope I've got the name right. Ex-military personnel from Sweden. He's also the owner of the bank called OMP. Money operates in a trading platform called the Forex that deal with foreign currencies. Mr. Andreas. Ladies and gentlemen, in case he's not here, well, I think he must be busy operating and making money. So koi tension nahi. Money making is also very important. God bless him. Aise paise kamate raho. Up next, iconic short film director, and it goes to Mr. Zenofar Fatima. Zen Film Production. Of course, a Dubai-based entrepreneur, socialite, producer, actor who has been generating relevant exclusive digital content since 2018 under her banner, Zen Film Productions. Zenofar Fatima. Hello, ma'am. Well done. being with us. Thank you. See you soon on the other side. He's known as the party animal of Mumbai as well. All the way from Chembur. He's now going to be playing this track. Go for it, brother.
You wanna get crazy, crazy. Shorty, take it slow, then chitty, chitty. Hey, baby, let me see it. I just wanna eat it. Baby, let me see it.
What can I say for Dubai? Dubai is home for me. I am always so happy to come to Dubai. Now due to COVID and all, it's been like 2 years. It's after 2 years that I'm coming, and I'm so overwhelmed to be a part of this evening here. And I love Dubai.
Oh, thank you.
A comedy film that's going to be releasing on the web called Patal Pani. So right now, just enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank you all about this event. So how was this event? You enjoyed it?
I really enjoyed it. It is a good job, and I wish them really a good luck.
Any upcoming movies are coming?
Yes, November I'm starting to shoot. Next month there will be.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
really my pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Sonakshi watching News Time, and God, I don't have words, but directly my. I'm Sonakshi and you are watching News Time, and Vivek Oberoi with me. Wow! Mera hero. I feel so nice. I feel so good. Thank you so much. Thank you News Time for giving me this chance to take an interview. Looking forward to get more business. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Bye.